Hey there, and welcome to Foundation Armor. Today, we're going to answer the question, what's the best time of day to apply an exterior concrete sealer? So the best time of day to apply a concrete sealer is in the late afternoon or early evening when air and surface temperatures are declining, usually around 4 to 6 p.m. depending on where you're located and the time of year. Now, the surface should be cool to the touch and should not be in direct sunlight. If you apply concrete sealer in the early morning when air and surface temperatures are increasing, or in the middle of the day when the surface is exposed to direct sunlight, well, you run the risk of premature evaporation, bubbling, delamination, and sealer failure. Well, there you have it. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to visit www.foundationarmor.com for more great videos and to purchase professional grade concrete sealers and coatings. See you next time.